We have an update now in a big case out of Montgomery County.
A hearing to decide if Catherine Hoggle will face murder charges for her children's disappearances has been postponed. 3-year-old Sarah and 2-year-old Jacob Hoggle, they have been missing since 2014. Their bodies have never been found.
Their mother faces 2 murder charges, but her attorney argues she is still not legally competent to stand trial. Our Lionel Donovan sat in on today's hearing, and he joins us live from the county courthouse in Rockville. Lionel.
Good afternoon, Annie and Lorenzo. Well, Sarah and Jacob's father, Troy Turner, also showed up in the courtroom today with his family, hoping for answers, but he'll have to wait another 3 months. The competency hearing for Catherine Hoggle has been postponed till December. Now, I did get a chance to talk to Turner yesterday at a vigil that he was putting together for his children in Germantown. He says no matter what happens, he's just focused on getting his kids back home. Today, a judge declared that the Montgomery County State's Attorney's Office will get more time to prove that Catherine Hoggle is competent to stand trial. Hoggle faces 2 counts of murder over the 2014 disappearance of her children, 3-year-old Sarah and 2-year-old Jacob. However, she was deemed incompetent in 2015, and that status hasn't been overturned since.
It just feels like nothing's changed.
We remember, we hope, we hold on.
On Sunday, the children's father, Troy Turner, held a vigil in their honor.
I'm praying that this is the last time we have to do this.
He said after 11 years, the pain of their loss is still fresh.
It doesn't get easier. Whoever said time heals all wounds lied. This gets harder every single day, every year.
The court has repeatedly rejected arguments from the Montgomery County State's Attorney's Office that Hoggle is fit to stand trial. In court, State's Attorney John McCarthy called for an independent expert to be hired to examine Hoggle's competency. McCarthy also highlighted a news article claiming that the Perkins Hospital Center, where Hoggle most recently was receiving psychiatric treatment, wasn't accredited while she was there, and asked the judge for time to look at records from Hoggle's time there. Hoggle's attorney, David Felsen, says although the allegation is new, that doesn't change Hoggle's legal incompetency status.
We've been doing this since 2014. It's never been brought up before. I guess if you have to grasp the straws.
Meanwhile, Troy Turner says he's focused on the same goal he's had since 2014, getting Sarah and Jacob back home.
What I can speak to is just that we won't stop looking for my children until we find them.
Now, although Hoggle is still in custody, she has a bond hearing that's scheduled for September 30th. Live from the Montgomery County Courthouse, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.
Yeah, we know you'll continue to stay on top of it for us. Lionel, thank you.